Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? We got Biker Tony here. We got the Yamaha R1. I just wanted to do a brief video on this exhaust. Been on YouTube trying to find out anyone who had this exhaust that was doing a review. I found no one that had this exhaust that was doing a review. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to give you a brief rundown on the good and the bad on this DanMoto exhaust. So pricing. I bought the DanMoto exhaust for about 200 bucks after shipping and all that. Originally the exhaust was for $298, but I caught it on a sale. So I purchased the exhaust, got it. Originally came this color. This exhaust reminds you of a Toast exhaust, but a Toast exhaust is just more expensive, and this one is just a little cheaper. I don't know if we can see inside, but they do have baffles inside of them. You can see the baffles. So the cost was $220 or two and some change. Installation, very easy. You could see down there the two clamps. You connect that to your Cadillac converter, connect that there, bolt on right there. You have the clamps right there. Stainless steel exhaust, sounds nice. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 good and 3 bad. Hopefully I could come up with 3 bad. So let's get the bad out of the way. The first thing bad about the the DanMoto exhaust, the heat. So unless you wrap this up, you will be getting a lot of heat coming from the rear end of the bike. You will be getting a lot of heat. But it looks good. If I could do a rear shot for you guys. Second thing that I dislike about the exhaust, it is loud, but it's kind of drony on the highway. You're gonna hear that, ooh, you're gonna hear that noise on the highway. So that's the second thing bad about the exhaust. The third biggest thing that I hate about the exhaust is, if you can see the exhaust, it doesn't come out. Let's see if we can see it. You see, if you look at a Toast exhaust, they would come out to about like right here. But the thing with the DanMoto exhaust, it doesn't come out too far. So what happens is, a lot of this smoke that's coming from the exhaust, a lot of that smoke that's coming from the exhaust will hit your light and will hit that rear end. So as you can see, if you look at my light, it has that black spot from just all of the smoke hitting it right here. All of the smoke just hitting it right here. I have that black spot on this spot on the light. Also too, my tail end right here, the tail end of the bike, it kept just deforming because you know that plastic. So what I did was I put some heat shield tape on there, and it did make a difference. It did make a difference. So let me give you guys a view coming from the bottom. So basically that's how it looks coming from the bottom. And now we go to the 3 things I love about the DanMoto exhaust. You can see if we go on this side right here, you can see the DanMoto badge right there, and you can see the DanMoto badge right there. So that's pretty cool. So the 3 things I love about the exhaust, I love the look. Look at that quad tip. You coming down the road screaming, you're gonna love that exhaust. Second thing, the price. The price was just, you can't beat that. You know, it's not a full exhaust, but it's close to a Toast exhaust. The look, you can't beat that. That's the second thing. And the third thing that I love about the exhaust, let's see, do I have one more? I like the price, I like the look, and yeah, I love the sound. Price, look, and sound. There you go. So there she is. So for anybody out there that's looking to get a DanMoto exhaust but just didn't see any videos on YouTube about it, I'm gonna put a link in the description, and here it is. So all right guys, now I'm gonna do a startup video on a cold start. I'm not even gonna do no editing and cut, so I want you guys to see that this is a cold start. Well, there she is.